Hi everyone, welcome to the PR Software Training Institute. We are the number one training institute for the programming. So today we are going to discuss about the C language demo. So what will be our today's agenda? So as you know that as you are listening this demo, you are having so many questions in your mind. So what are the questions basically student ask? So the first question, why should I start with C language? Second question, I don't know anything about the coding. Can I learn the C language? Third, why I should join PR Software? What is the syllabus of C language? Will I get the practical classes? If I learn online, will I get support? Do we provide lab facilities for offline courses? Like this, so many questions are there in student minds. About apart from that, what is our syllabus structure? What is the fundamental? That everything we are going to discuss in today's class. So let us start with the one by one question. So the first question, what student asks, why should I start with C language? So many students comes to me and they ask, sir, can I start with Java language or can I start directly with the Python? So answer is yes. If you want, you can start it. The problem is what? When you start with the Python as a beginning language, at a certain level, like first part, easily you will get it. But when you jump to the OOPS concept, many students get confused because Python is a continuation language. When you learn any subject in a continuation, you will get confused. But when you start with the C language, in the C, all the things are fundamental. So it will be very easy to understand. So the answer is what? My suggestion is if you are having the time and you are having C as an academic subject, then definitely I will prefer start with C language instead of any other programming languages. Second question, I don't know any coding. Can I learn C language? Answer is absolutely yes, because as I suggest you, C is a beginning language where you will understand from the very scratch. We will tell you like how to write the basic syntax, how to write the logics, how to create the basic programs. From there, it will start till application coding level. We will cover it. So C is a beginning language. If you don't know anything, happily you can start with a C language. Then the next question you will get it: why should I join PRSO? So this answer I will give you in the last slide because there are so many things we need to explain. So this question I'm skipping right now. I will tell you at the end. What is the syllabus of C language? This is a very common question what everybody asks you. So I wanted to tell you that we will cover the 100% syllabus of C language. Just I would like to show you here the syllabus of C language. Let us see everyone. So this is the C language syllabus. Okay. So as you can see the content on the screen, first we'll go with the introduction, like how to install the software and all these basic concepts. Then we'll learn about the programming standards, decision making statement, control statement like loops and all, arrays, all the types of arrays we'll discuss it, pointers, functions, string, file handling, enumeration, command line argument, macros, and along with that, the fundamental like how to create the basic projects like ADM applications or tactimeter. This kind of projects also will get covered. So this is the basically syllabus of C language. Now the next question we will get it. Let me just go to the question we are discussing about. What is the syllabus? So this is the syllabus we'll cover. Next is, will I get the practical classes? Answer is yes. 100% will cover the practical classes. Whatever the program will discuss, it will be with the practical with output we will show. And you will have the assignments also. If I learn online, will I get support? Answer is yes, you will get a support. Whatever the doubts you are having, our WhatsApp team will be available from morning 9 to evening 8 o'clock. In between, you can WhatsApp, or if you are having any major doubt, like you are not able to solve on the WhatsApp, you can, our team will get connected in the weekdays. So from support side, you will get 100% support. And the last and very important question, do you provide the labs? If you are an offline student, we have the dedicated labs where all the instructor will be available. You can practice happily after the class. 1 hour theory will be there, 1 hour practical will be there. So these are the common question which is asked by the student. Now let us move to the fundamentals. So the fundamental, the first question is what? What is program? So as you are going to learn about the programming, so first question comes to your mind, sir, what is this program is? So I will tell you first in a very simple language. So suppose imagine you are having a marriage at home. So marriage is nothing but one event is there. But in between, you need to perform lots of tasks. Suppose you need to book the function hall, you need to book, suppose, catering, you need to book for uh, decorator. Like this, so many things you need to do in between. So these are called, I will say, instruction. Book this one, book that one. That is an instruction you need to follow to perform that particular marriage event. Similarly, what is program? Program is nothing but a set of instruction to perform a specific task. So nothing but, suppose example, I want to do the addition of two numbers. So what are the things I need to perform? Read the number, add the number, display the number. So what we are going to do? We are going to perform some steps. So that is nothing but a program. So don't think real-time programming is something very technical is nothing. Whatever you want to do for a particular task, that steps we call it what program. Let us understand with a different example. Suppose in our institute you are going to take the admission. So you need to follow some steps. When you come to the office, first they will take your information. So in my software, I will write a program to take your information. Then you will pay the fees, you will get a receipt, and you will get the class link. So this is nothing but a process to join the institute. Similarly, that process we are converting into what? A program. So program is basically what? Set of instructions. I hope you are very clear about the program. Now the very common question which you will get it is what is software? So program is nothing but only one task you are going to do. But what is software? Software is nothing but a collection of tasks. Let us assume that in a PR software, there are multiple things will be there. First, you are going to take the admissions. So I will take one form. I will write one program to take the admission. I'm writing in the shortcut, guys, ADM. Then before the admission, one more step will be there. What is that? Inquiry. Like you are listening the demo. It means what? You have inquired at PR software and you are listening the demo. So this is nothing but step. So I'm going to take your details in the inquiry. After that, admission process will take your details. Then when you complete the course, you will get a certificate. So that time you need to fill the form and you have to do the formalities of the office. So certificate things you have to do it. Then next will be there at the end, job support. Those who are registered for the job, they will get the links and all. So that is nothing but the last option. So how many stages you have to perform? So I need to write one for inquiry, one for admission, one program for certification, one for jobs. Like this, so many things like pending fees are there. I need to change the admin. I need to change the faculty. I need to change the branch. So many things will be available into this one. And this all these things belong to what? Software called PR software. My software name is what? PR software is our software name also. So like this, whenever in the real time you are going to perform so many, simply I will say so many programs when you are writing for a particular thing, that is nothing but a software. So everybody hope you have got the clarity what exactly the software. Software is nothing but what? Writing a collection of programs. Okay. Now let us come to this part. Okay. So software is a collection of program to perform a specific task. So example are Notepad, operating system, Facebook, and etc. Now basically the software is divided into three types: system software, application software, and internet software. What is the meaning of system software? Whenever you design a software for a specific requirement, or I can say individual system requirement, that is known as system software. The example is, suppose example, I install, you people, you are listening and I'm teaching. So you are having laptop, I'm having laptop. Suppose you imagine in this way, we both brought the new laptop and I installed Windows 10 in my laptop. Will it come to your laptop automatically? Answer is no. What you need to do, you need to install separate. So it means you are having your individual requirement, I'm having my individual requirement. So that kind of software, we call it system software. And for the software, the popular languages are C and C++. Sir, Can't we use Java, Python? Yes, you can use it, but there is another story. I will tell you in a very simple way. These are the popular languages. We can use other, but these are like mainly used in the. Now the next question which we are having is, what is application software? So as I discussed in the previous slide about the system means what? A specific software. Only one people can use that particular software. But what if I want to use a software for a common, means a group of people want to use the software. Suppose you imagine in this way, I'm PR software having around 20 25 people of team where we work together. So we wanted to communicate or we wanted to share the data among ourselves. So at that time, how can we share our data? So we are having our software, and that software can be used by a group of people. If I do some update, my all the team member can see. But whereas in individual, only you can do that things. Your teammates cannot. Another example, banking sector. If you're if everybody is listening the demo, everybody is having SBI bank account. So will SBI give separate software for everybody? Answer is no. One software used by many people by using username and password. That is nothing but application software. A software which is used by a group of people is known as what? Application software. The example are banking sector, school, colleges, all this. But in the applications software, you must be part of that organization, then only you can use it. Other people cannot use that software. And here the popular languages are Java, Python, .NET, and etc. So all the object-oriented programming languages basically use this application software. So examples are like Swiggy, Book My Show, Rapido, SBI, where you need to create the account to use that software. So this is nothing but application software. Next, you are having internet software. So internet software name itself says open for all. There you are having the restriction. You must be a part of that one, then only you can use it. But in internet, not like this. Anybody can use. It is called distributed. There is no restriction. Anybody can use from wherever they want. They can use it. It is developed for world at large requirement. And here also the similar languages will be used. And these are the some common examples. So these are the like three. Basically, softwares are divided into these three categories. Now, at the start, I told you why you should join the PRs. The first and very important thing, we focus on logical building. As you come to our website or you come to our institute, because you have seen the large number of reviews and large number of feedback from our students. That's why you are here. Because why our students are getting mostly placed in the company, the reason is we focus on the logical building. From the day one, our focus will be on the very fundamental logical building, then slowly will take you towards the application level. Real-time projects. Real-time projects, sir. Here, some people get confused. Sir, what is real-time and what is normal time? The answer is all the things are project means project. I can say scale will be different. In the scale, whatever the project we are designing, we can design that same project in a very large scale when you are having the thing, you know the flow of that particular project. So all the type of project we will cover in our syllabus. Fully experienced trainer. So whoever will take the classes for you guys, all will be the experienced trainer. All will have a very good experience into this particular field. Lab facilities with trained lab coordinator. The very important thing, this one, whenever you come into the lab, might be you find that you are practicing and nobody is there to support. But with us, whenever you are practicing, we will have the dedicated lab coordinator where whatever the doubts you are having, you can solve there itself. You no need to come to the trainer or something. So that is one extra thing we have added. Job assistant. So as you are learning the C, might be most of you are not required job assistant, but job assistant where we will give you the genuine links of the company where you can go and you can attend the jobs. And if you want to see more about like placement or on, you can go to our website prsoftwares.com/place student where you can see our latest place student details. And this is the rating. This is the current as of today's date. We got more than 1256 reviews and 4.9 rating it is. And recently who got placed some of the student details you are having. And as I told you, we have given the link. You can go and check there also. So you'll get more about us. And these are the few more students we have dropped here. And these are the details to get connected. I hope you got questions, what question you were having, why I should join, and what is the syllabus and all. So I can assure one thing from my side: the training wise, you will not get any problem. We have the dedicated staff to give the complete support to you. Still, if you are having any question, you can reach to these numbers. Thank you guys for watching this video.